Hello, I'm Matt Griffin with this EPS Inspires update. Now, career and technical education here in Evergreen Public Schools relies heavily on project-based learning. We wanted to know how teachers are preserving that hands-on experience for their students in Remote Learning 2.0. So, we paid a visit to the floral design programs at Evergreen, Mountain View, and Heritage High Schools. It's a busy day for floral design teachers and their students at Evergreen, Mountain View, and Heritage High Schools.
So this is going to be your kit, and it has your sketchbook in here with a pencil sharpener, your floral tape. These are the wires that go with the first video that you're going to, and your tape is inside.
As they'll be doing for the duration of Remote Learning 2.0, floral students will be stopping by their respective schools each week to pick up the flowers they'll need to complete projects at home.
Today I'm helping my teacher make kits for her floral students and also some of her horticulture students. They're planning on making little corsages tomorrow, and so today they're just picking up those items that they're going to need to make this corsage, and then over Zoom she's going to go over the steps and show them how to make it so that they can make them from the safety of their homes.
So I'm going to take these mums off.
What would normally be hands-on learning in the classroom now has teachers recording lessons for students to watch online.
I'm stretching the tape as I'm going.
They have to learn how to tape and wire for mechanics to create a fake stem for these flowers. So this is for them to practice. And there's a Flipgrid video that I show them how to do it, and then they have to demonstrate back to me.
So what I'm finding, we're working all online now, and I use Google Classroom for all my videos and for pretty much everything that I do. And so what I'm finding is the kids are actually learning the content a little bit better by being able to not only watch it live, but then to go back and watch the recorded.
And these students tell me, whether it's in person or online, their teachers encourage them to be creative.
So right now, this has rhythm, it has harmony, it has balance between the orange and the yellow, which is important.
I like that you get to be open and creative with whatever you want to make. Like Miss LaFave, she won't tell you how to make something. Well, she'll like show you how to, but she won't tell you make it exactly the same.
And all of the teachers tell me the Remote Learning 2.0 experience is showing them just how resilient their students are at adapting to change, and praise their students for making online learning a two-way street.
We are reinventing the assignment for an online platform, and that's been a challenge, learning all of the new programs. At my age, they don't come as quickly. But I'm muddling through. I have students that teach me on our Google Meets how to do something, and they get credit for that because that's how we are in the classroom.
Many of the flowers and plants used in our floral design and horticulture programs are donated through a community partnership with Trader Joe's and Safeway. And we want to thank those companies for continuing to support our students and our schools. For Evergreen Public Schools, I'm Matt Griffin.